A very good morning to all of you, my dear students. Welcome all of you to my Prerana YT classes. In this class today, I am going to discuss about the most important area of study of global politics that comes under the core paper 10, fourth semester. That is the ecological issues in the chapter number 7. And in this core area of studies, here I will going to explain about the historical review of several international agreements, where there we will discuss about several conferences also. Those conferences has always provided a very good foundation for the protection of environment in different period of time. So without lapsing our time, let us move towards the present structure of our study now, that has been vested to analyze the ecological issues, where we will put a very important highlight on several international agreements and several international conferences. So shall you start? Yes. The first important international conference to protect environment, it was in the year 1972, and the name of that conference is Stockholm Conference. Students, these are very important conference, and it may come in your exam also, the year and the name of the conference. This is very important one. So you should have to remember all these things. This is very much vital. It comes several times in different exams, not only in your degree exam, but also these are very much vital one, relevant one in different exams, in different competitive exams also. So first one conference, that is Stockholm Conference on environment, human environment, that is 1972. Number 2, Global Conventions Concerning Environmental Protection in the year 1975. Number 3, Convention on Biological Diversity in the year 1992. Rio Earth Summit thereafter 1992. Thereafter in the year 1997, Global Climate Change Meet was there. And in the same year, Kyoto Meet, Kyoto Protocol on Climate Change was there. And in the year 1998, we find Buenos Aires Convention on Climate Change, and thereafter UN Framework on Convention on Climate Change was there, and thereafter the Johannesburg Summit 2002, World Summit on Sustainable Development, and thereafter also Rio plus 20 conferences are there. So this is very important one. The year of all these conferences meet and the name of the conferences and meet, you should have to understand and you should have to remember for all times to come, because these are very important perspective for your all kind of examinations. So without lapsing our time, let us move towards the main topic of our analysis, which has been devoted towards the ecological issues. So before going to the depth of our study of analysis on ecological issue, we should have to understand what is the main objective of the protection of environment. What are the most important objective? Why we feel it is very necessity to protect our environment. Students, in different parts of the world, this is now very much a common important global debate now for the protection of environment, and several times we have seen several agreements, conferences have been organized to protect environment, and this protection of environment has now gained a very good recognition as the common concern of all the civilized states of the world. Because without securing this objective means, that is, without securing the protection of environment, the human body, the humankind, the mankind cannot really secure real and enduring development. So why we feel necessity of protection of environment in these days? because this is very much vital necessity of our human life, because without protecting our environment, the humankind, they cannot really secure real and enduring development. Okay, so protection of environment, there we find, to protect environment, there we find several global level collective efforts are there. To protect environment, there we find several global collective efforts are there. विभिन्न क्षेत्र रे आमे देखुछु collective efforts in different field. We are finding collective efforts in different states of the world. They have joined together to fight against this kind of challenges and to protect the environment. They have collected their efforts. They have provided a collective efforts that has constituted one of the most important areas of activity in the international relation of 21st century. So 21st century international relation the most important major area of activity kon ate? The collective effort of different nation states of the world. They have fought against this challenge. And what is that challenge? जो इकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज आमे देखुछु से इकोलॉजिकल इश्यूज को केमती सॉल्व करा हेबो, केमती प्रोवाइड करा हेबो प्रोटेक्शन, so that human life will be secure, will be protected, and we will have a very safe life in this environment. For that reason, collective efforts have been made throughout the world in different period of time, which has provided a very important ground of contributions to protect our environment and to protect our life. As you know, protection of environment, it is one of the most vital study now. And why we feel protection of environment very much important one? Because we are finding deterioration. That means degradation of environment now. Environment is now polluted, and day by day it is deteriorated. It is day by day degraded. And what's the reason behind it? The reasons are we finding unprincipled use of natural resources, rapid industrialization, urbanization, use of pesticides, and because of the existence of problems like population growth, poverty, poor housing, bad public health. So these are the major reasons, these are the important issues for which we are finding in everyday life, we are finding what? The deterioration of environment, the degradation of environment. Because of this kind of reasons, we are finding the pollution of environment has been the most important headache of not only one country but also the whole over the world. And for these reasons, we will analyze one after one the each and every conferences, those who have played a very important role in different period of time to save environment and to save our ecology.